Hello guys, welcome back to Pedal Savings. Today I am doing a new type of video. I will be unstuffing some cash today. What I really want to do today is try to condense the bills in my binders, in my binder envelopes, because I know that there's some envelopes that have a lot of bills in it. So we will be condensing 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 plus 5, 10, 15, 20. We will be condensing $80. So let's go to the first binder. So wedding 20, 40, 60, 81. I gotta get some $100 bills. 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good. Okay, apartment. I did stuff this more this past weekend because I made like 24 bucks at my previous market, and I just put the $24 in the apartment envelope to boost it up more. 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So should be good. Okay, Derek. Let's see if he's got 20. Okay, I could take a 10. Okay. Okay, emergency. I know this one needs to be condensed. I could do a 20 here. Okay, beauty, no. Toiletries, no. Wardrobe, okay. 5, 6, oh, 5, 10, 9. Could do a 10. Okay, that's it for this binder. Let's get to the pink binder, my low priority savings. Okay, Christmas, nothing. Content only has 2. Date night has 7. It's okay. Okay, furniture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could do a $5 bill in here. Gifts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could do a $5 bill in here. Okay, home has nothing. Household only has 2. Okay. I know my 2025 savings has a bunch of stuff I need to condense. Okay, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 55. Okay, that's good. That only, we just started these. Oh, so this previous week, from my market, I found a star note. And I think that's so cool. I'm never gonna use that, So let's make sure we have $80. So 10 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Got $80. And that's going to be it for this video. I do need to go get a couple $100 bills for the wedding envelope because I know that I'm gonna be stuffing it today. So yeah, I'll see you next time in my cash planning video and my cash stuffing video. Bye.